What's up, guys? Today just wanted to make this quick little video introducing a new vehicle that will be on the channel here. And of course, no, I'm not talking about the 19 Ram. You all know about that one. But check out my video on the window tint if you haven't seen that yet. We're talking about this guy right here. 2014 Harley Davidson Night Rod Special. It's in the V-Rod family. Very similar to the Muscle and the V-Rod. This is the Night Rod Special 2014. Only has 4,500 miles on it. Just picked it up last weekend. It's the 1250cc engine. A lot of Harley purists don't like this bike because your typical Harley is a 72-degree offset V-twin configuration engine that's air-cooled. This engine is actually designed by Porsche. It's a higher revving, less low-end torque engine, 1250cc, liquid-cooled, 60-degree V-twin. Which is why it runs so smooth and makes such good power. So I had 08 Harley Nightster previously, sold that, and I've been just kind of rocking my 2012 Yamaha 450 Supermoto. But I did want to get like another cruiser again, but I wanted something a little bit bigger and faster than the Nightster. So this is the replacement. So far, pretty stock, actually in pretty darn good shape for being 6 years old, and like I said, only 4,500 miles. The only thing done to it so far is, for whatever reason, the front fender was replaced or removed, and it has the Vance & Hines slip-on exhaust. But I do have some modifications that we're going to be doing on the channel here to this bike, including a high flow air filter replacement, probably get a Bassani 2-in-1 exhaust, as well as a Cobra auto tuner, and then a couple of cosmetic things, as well as you know, I might get some sort of passenger pillion or something, just because I do want to take the girlfriend out from time to time. A couple cosmetic things, but nothing major. Probably do a headlight, LED headlight on it, but super happy with this bike so far. As far as the performance and just everything about it, it's a very smooth bike. I really like it. So like I said, just wanted to introduce this to you guys and kind of explain some of the future content that I'll be doing on this bike on the channel. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.